Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to start with next exercise in chapter number 6, triangle. Till now you have learned only one important concept, that is the BPT and similar figures. Now we are going to learn similarity criteria. If you remember about the concurrency, in concurrency you have learned various criteria like S, A, S, A, AAS, SAS, and finally RHS. So here these are concurrency criteria 5. Now in this chapter in class 10 syllabus we have AAA. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same ratio, hence two triangles are similar. If corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides will also be in same ratio. This was the definition given in first exercise. Now class, theorem we are not required to do. You just learn that one criteria is AAA. You just have to prove three of the angles of these two triangles are equal. Then we can say that ABC is similar to DEF. It all depends A, D, B, E, C, F. That's why I said A, B, C concurrent to D, E, F. Now next is if three of the sides are in ratio. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportion to the side of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and two triangles are similar. If sides are in proportion, this upon this upon this, and this upon this, you will say that this is triple S, side, side, side. In concurrency, these are equal. If we have to prove concurrent, these should be equal. But in this similarity, we just have to prove that they are in proportion. Next is side, angle, side. One angle of a triangle is equals to the one angle of another triangle, and sides including these angles are proportion. Suppose angle A is equals to angle D, then this upon this should be equals to this upon this, then only these two triangles will be similar. Side, angle, side, side, angle, side, included angle, included angle. So what we have learned, AAA, triple S, and side, angle, side. AAA, or if you say double A, that is also okay, because if two angles are equal, then third angle will obviously be equal. If two of the angles, if we prove equal, then third angle obviously will be equal, because sum of angle of a triangle is 180. So double A can be another criteria. Now class, in first question we have to state which pair of the triangles of the following figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the questions. Also write the pair of similar triangles in a symbolic form. Now angle A is 60, angle A is 60, angle P is 60, angle B is 80, angle Q is 80, angle C is 40, angle R is 40. So if you will say by AAA, these two triangles are similar. Yes. Now criteria ABC is similar to, this is a symbol of similar, similar to A is equals to which angle? P. So you will write here P. Then Q, B is equals to Q, and C is equals to R according to the question. So this is by criteria used, and write the pair of similar triangles. This is the answer. And now the ratios will be equal. Now class, if we talk about these two triangles, in these two triangles we have to see the ratios, we have to judge ourselves. If we see here, AB is 2 and this is 5. AB is 2 and this is 4. This is 2.5, this is 5. This is 3 and this is 6. So all are in same ratio. AB upon PR, AB upon QR is 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Similarly, BC upon PR is 1 upon 2 because 2.5 upon 5, that is 1 upon 2. And AC upon PQ is 3 upon 6, again it is 1 upon 2. So we can say that all three sides are in ratio, but we have to talk about the criteria also. Criteria is triple S, and pair of the triangles ABC is similar to QRP. C class, AB upon QR 1 upon 2, BC upon RP 1 upon 2, and AC upon QP is 1 upon 2. So you have to check this all. Same with the other part you will do. This is the third part. This is the third part. Fourth part, check yourself. Fifth part. Sixth part, you have to do by your own. Now class, your next question. Question number 2. In this question, this angle is given 125. These two triangles are given as similar triangles. This triangle and this triangle given, it is given. We have to find DOC. If these two triangles are similar triangles, then angle O is equals to angle O, angle D is equals to angle B, and angle C is equals to angle A. Now angle D is equals to angle B, so this is 70. Now if we find out this angle 55, then this will be 55, and angle DCO is equals to this angle, and so on we can find. So this is very simple question. We can use the previous logics also that we have done. Now class, question number 3. It is given that this is parallel to this and we have to prove this. So class, first of all, if this is parallel to this, then this angle and this angle is alternate angle. This angle and this angle again alternate, and this is equal to this opposite angle. So you can say that ABO is similar to triangle C, angle A equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D, so D here, and O. Now you make the similarity. AB upon CD equals to BO upon DO equals to AO upon OC. So this is proved. This is only we have to prove. The same they have done, alternate angle, then opposite angle. So these two triangles are similar, and by using corresponding sides are proportion, as these two triangles are similar, then corresponding side will be in proportion. Now one more question we are taking today. In this triangle, it is given that QR upon PS, QR upon QS equals to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. We have to prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. So class, in these two triangles, if you see that here is a triangle PQPS and QTR. These two sides are in ratio. This angle is a common angle. If we prove this side and this side and this side in proportion, then our answer will be solved by SAS. Now class, what is given? Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So we can make out that if these two angles are equal, then in this triangle PR is equals to PQ. So in place of PR we can write PQ. Now what we have, QR upon QS equals to QT upon QP, and angle Q is common. So by SAS, this triangle and this triangle is similar. That's all class. Till here you have to do today, and do it well. Till here, very important exercise for you people. That's all class.